Hello everybody, I've got another beauty here. She is a 2021 model, Willerby Malton. 3 bedrooms, sleeping 8 people. Central heated and double glazed as standard. And the price is £36,995. As always guys, I will be giving you my details towards the end of the video, so if you'd like to grab yourself a pen and a bit of paper so you can get my information if you would like any help on ownership with Blue Anchor Leisure. So look at the space in here, really has been utilised well. That sofa does house a sofa bed. Plenty of room for a nice big TV just there, and the doors are sliding rather than front opening, which saves room on the decking. So it is immaculate guys, it's more or less like new, it's only a year old. It is available to be sited on any of our Blue Anchor Leisure parks free of charge, and it would also come with a 3-month warranty. Into the first twin, nice thick mattresses, floor to ceiling wardrobe, and there's also storage under those beds. Lovely sized master, still get your little dressing area. Got the USB points in all bedrooms as well. Nice high ceilings. And then your next twin. Again, nice space in here, all been fitted with TV points as well, so you can have TVs in all the bedrooms if you wish. We do have a separate toilet, so no knocking at the door when you're in the shower. So again, this one's £36,995. Can be sited on any Blue Anchor Leisure park free of charge. There are costs to consider when looking into ownership, which is why I'm here. I can also help and advise as to which park would be right for you. So my number is 0787 491 0033. Love to hear from you guys, so any questions please let me know. Speak soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.